बर्तमान सभार आधुनिक प्रदान करिया पई प्रोफेसर न्यायरंजन राउत को अनुरोध करूँ। Good afternoon everyone. Esteemed Vice Chancellor sir, respected Chairman Teaching Council, Ashok sir, members of our team, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this special session of the Reteaching Mission 2026 Stakeholders Meet dedicated to our postgraduate students. Today we have assembled here not merely to listen, but to engage in a meaningful dialogue on the past, the present, and the future of our university. The students are the most important stakeholders of any educational institution. Your experience, perception, aspiration, and constructive suggestions are invaluable in helping the university understand its strength, identify areas for improvement, and plan for the future. The objective of this session is to provide each participating students with an opportunity to express their views openly and thoughtfully. We have shared 5 questions with you before. Hopefully, you have discussed about all these questions among your friends, and we have received your reports. We have received your perception notes, and we have made a small analysis of these reports. And today, one student from each department will briefly present their views, followed by an interactive session. All of you get an opportunity to interact with you among yourself. But we cannot allow all of you to come here and to do a presentation. So we'll ask one student from each subject to give a small presentation, maybe for 3-4 minutes, and after that we'll have an interaction. Let us remember that every suggestion that is made today is a valuable contribution towards making our university academically stronger, more student-centric, and nationally recognized. I sincerely thank all the departments for nominating their students representative and all the participants for your enthusiastic involvement. I know it was raining heavily since morning. And we were a bit apprehensive that, or we are a bit in a dilemma that whether we will be having a good number of students on that. But really, thankfully, to our team members, to our head of the department, and to all that we have got around 140 students in the hall, which is certainly a big number. I'm thankful to all of you for that. And with these words, now may I request Vice Chancellor sir to declare this session open, and I request Grant sir to do the further proceeding. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद सर. बर्तमान हम स्नातकोत्तर परिषद अध्यक्ष प्रोफेसर संतोष कुमार अग्रवाल सर को अनुरोध करी से तांकर वक्तव्य रखिए सर.
Esteemed Vice Chancellor Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi, esteemed coordinator of this session, Professor न्यायरंजन Rao, and Dr. Jain, and my dear colleagues and my dear friends. ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଖାସ୍ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବି ଏତେ ବର୍ଷା ଭିତରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଏଠି ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିବାର କାରଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଦେବି. ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ନିଜର ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ସାଇଡ୍ ଯାଇ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ମିଶନକୁ ଦେଖିଥିବା ଭିଜନ ମିଶନକୁ ଦେଖିଛେ ନା ନାହିଁ ସେଠୁ ଭିଜନଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଫିକ୍ସ ରଖିଛେ. ଯୋଉ ଭିଜନ ମିଶନ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 2021ରେ 5 years back ଆମେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଭଳି ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହୋଲ୍ଡରଙ୍କୁ ଡକାଇ ସେଇଟା ରେଡି ହେଇଥିଲା. In between this NDP 2030 curriculum ଭିତରେ ଆମେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ କରିସାରିଲୁ. ତାର ସବୁଯାକ ପ୍ରଣାଳୀକୁ ଆମେ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିସାରିଲୁ. ତେଣୁ ଏବେ ମିଶନରେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଆଡ୍ କରିବାର ସମୟ ଆସିଯାଇଛି. ମିଶନରେ ଆଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଯେମିତି ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ସ୍କଲାର, ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପୋଷ୍ଟଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଆଲୁମିନାଇ, ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲିଷ୍ଟ, ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଟିଚିଂ ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟିଜ୍, ନନ୍ ଟିଚିଂ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ. ସେଇ ଭିତରୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ. ତେଣୁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଯେମିତି ନିହାତ କହିଲେ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବି ଆମେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଠି ଆସିଛେ. Actually, ଆମେ ଏଠି ଆମ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମକୁ ହାଇଲାଇଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛେ. ମୁଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲିୟର କରୁଛି. ମୋ ରୁମରେ ଟ୍ୟୁବଲାଇଟ୍ ଜଳୁନି, ମେସରେ ଖାଇବା ହଉନି, ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଚାଲୁନି, ରୁମ୍ ଆଗରେ ପାଣି ଅଛି. ଦୟାକରି ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ରଖିନେବା ପାଇଁ ପାଖରେ. एठी रहिबार आसीबार पर्पज इज टोटली डिफरेंट आमे कोन करि पारले यूनिवर्सिटी रे आमे ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड को अचीव करि परिबा ता नेशनल लेवल रे निजर परिचय सृष्टि करि परिबा यार महत्व के मु कोन चिंता करूची मो यूनिवर्सिटी पय मो यूनिवर्सिटी को कोठी देखिबा पय चाहूची आ कोन करि परिले यूनिवर्सिटी आगो को जाई परिबो हला सेही विषय रे आमे आपण मानकर मतामत चाहूछु एई मीटिंग माध्यम समस्त प्रेजेंट करिबा कष्ट आमे जे 140 जन को समय देबा डिफिकल्ट तेणु कोऑर्डिनेटर जहाँ कहीगले आम डिपार्टमेंट वाइज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बाछिचे आगुर मते आपण मानकु कहिके आसीथे चिंता करिके आसीथिले कोन आपण चाहूछन तेणु जने डिपार्टमेंट वाइज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आसी आपण मानकु मतामत को रखि मतामत जहाँ भी हो मु जहाँ भी फ्रॉम मीटिंग गला समस्ते आमे सब समान एरिया रे भाबी परिबा नहीं हमर चिंताधारा अलग अलग हेई पारे तेणु जहाँ भी मतामत हो आमे ताको उपस्थापन करिबा छाड़ी देबा कमिटी को सेमाने चिंता करिवे सेटा यूनिवर्सिटी पई प्रयोज्य कि नै तेणु मतामत देबा पई आमे संकोच ये करिबा नै किंतु मतामत देबा मु कहि छी आमे क्वेश्चन करिबा नै जे हमर कोन प्रॉब्लम अछि सेटा को रखिबा प्रॉब्लम पई ऑर्डर मीटिंग हेता किंतु एटा मूल आमे डाकिछु जे आपण माने को अनुसार आपण मान को यूनिवर्सिटी को आगे नबा पई चाहू तेणु धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद सर वर्तमान हमर प्रिय कुलपति श्रीयुक्त संतोष कुमार त्रिपाठी सर उन्नत करी सेठांकर अभिभाषण प्रदान करें
esteemed chairman PG Council Professor Santosh Kumar Arora, coordinator of this program Professor Niyar Raul, co-coordinators Mr. Ranendra Kumar Nayak, Amrita Kumar Acharya, Dr. Asim Mamta Pradhan, Nitana Das, Dipankar Jana, Jan Kumar Das, Aslan Basraf, and friends from the faculty, dear students. Professor Ashok Patnaik, our guest here. Actually, 5 वर्ष तले आमे एमती गोटे स्टेक होल्डर्स मीटिंग करे स्टेक होल्डर आमे समस्त जानती जे विश्वविद्यालय त्रिवेणी बड़े बड़े चतुर्वेणी कर छात्र शिक्षक कर्मचारी को त्रिवेणी अलमनाई को लेले चतुर्वेणी किंतु एबे आमे सप्तवेणी कर स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स एम्प्लॉइज अलमनाई पेरेंट्स civil society and industries ए समस्त विश्वविद्यालय को गढ़ी तोड़बारे आवश्यकता विशेष कर छात्र मानकर बहुत बड़ा भूमिका से भूमिका छात्र माने केमती निभाउछथि केमती निभावा दरकार एवं विश्वविद्यालय को श्रेष्ठ करबा छात्र छात्री मानकर विशेष भूमिका कोन होबा दरकार से विषय रे आलोचना करी से भूमिका को हमें ग्रहण करबा पई ये सेशन रो आयोजन करी
धन्यवाद सर वर्तमान समय आसी गुरुमानक पाई ए अंशदार सम्मेलन आयोजन कराई समान को सुनिबा जेमति सर पहिले जो पॉइंट रे समान को आदो डिपार्टमेंट को पठाइता समान इनिशिएटिव आस्तिरे से अनुसार समान जो विवाद ना पड़े से विभाग जनतांकर प्रतिनिधि आसी तांकर रिपोर्ट प्रथमे एप्लाइड साइकोलॉजी गुड आफ्टरनून माननीय वाइस चांसलर and PC council sir. I'm myself Dabodar Badiyati on behalf of Applied Psychology. I would like to say that as a psychology student from University को आगु तो नबा पई खाली स्टूडेंट मानक ऊपर फोकस न करे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स अदर वर्किंग स्टाफ को ऊपर भी फोकस करबा जे यूनिवर्सिटी किछि गां को आटक करै से गां रे जति किछि अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करे होते ताकि कि सेटा यूनिवर्सिटी का आगु ना में हम साजे करी मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करी परिबो बेसिकली मेंटल हेल्थ पर हमें बेसी फोकस करू से नहीं ना बहुत सारा सिचुएशन एमिति अछि जोडा मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्ट करूछि मेंटल हेल्थ अफेक्ट कले हमर फिजिकल हेल्थ हमर सब डेली लाइफ में अफेक्ट करूछि तो मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस में हमर स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट वर्कशॉप सेमिनार तो ये सब अटेंड करके हमर यूनिवर्सिटी में आपको बहुत शुक्रिया थैंक यू
सजेशन बहुत बढ़िया हमें खाली स्टूडेंट के ऊपर फोकस करो हमें डिस्कशन वर्तमान रिसर्च स्कॉलर के साथ डिस्कशन चली एनवायरनमेंट साइंस डिपार्टमेंट रे आसंता काली अछि अलुमनाई के संगे प्रिंसिपल मान को जते एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज अछि ताकर भी हैंड होल्डिंग रो व्यवस्था करू से आसंता काली प्रिंसिपल मान संगे भी आलोचना अछि एवं पैरेंट तो सहित अछि आसंता काली तीनटा आलोचना अछि इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट माने इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया connection is more important nowadays ये चारिटा काली अछि और दिन सिविल सोसाइटी सेंटर अछि नॉन टीचिंग और टीचिंग the section wise we are discussing because it is not possible to make a actor किछि बाहर नहीं section wise discussion करले तादर निर्देश भाग बाहरियो सेते हमें 7-8टा सेक्शन करेगी ताकि विभिन्न शिक्षकों को दायित्व देछि समान तक कोऑर्डिनेट करथि तो सही टू जहां बारे हो that will be accepted by the university to act on the mission mode to be one of the best university of the world thank you
वर्तमान पीजी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी
Good afternoon, sir. Esteemed teachers and the fellow stakeholders and my friends. I am Geeta Panda from PG Department of Geography. Sir, as a geographer or as a student of geography, I would like to say majorly the things that are happening in this university are up to the marks as per us. But something that is missing even when I came to the university for the first time is a map or the folder of a university where the different departments are being placed. Even जब मैं खुद आई थी we have to ask someone कि ये डिपार्टमेंट कहाँ पे और वो लोग भी अगर हमें पता नहीं है कि वो लोग इसी यूनिवर्सिटी के फैकल्टी हैं या सिक्योरिटी है तो वो लोग खुद भी लाइक दे आर आल्सो कंफ्यूज कि ये कहाँ पे वो लोग जस्ट बोलते कि सीधा जाके लेफ्ट ले लो और हमको पता नहीं था ऐसा हम लोग पहली बार आए तो इट विल बी माय काइंड रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर ऐसा कुछ जैसे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स में होता है या फिर कहीं की सिटी में या तो फिर कुछ ऐसा अगर वहाँ पे हो सके तो आई गेस वो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा और वो इट विल विजुअली इम्पैक्ट टू आवर यूनिवर्सिटी आल्सो और सर इट्स अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर डिपार्टमेंट मेजरली आवर स्टूडेंट्स दैट हमें नहीं पता सर क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है बट हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर बिल्कुल भी किसी भी नेटवर्क का फ्रीक्वेंसी आता ही नहीं है और वहाँ पे भी वाईफाई का भी सर बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है वी आर वर्किंग ऑन सॉफ्टवेयर्स तो सर वी नीड अ कंसर्न ऑन दैट बाकी एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड दैट्स ऑल थैंक यू
Esteemed Vice Chancellor of Gilbert University, other respected dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers from various departments of the university, and my friends. I am Nityucha from the Department of Mathematics, and I take this opportunity not just to complain about the things that we are looking at, but I am taking this opportunity to thank the Vice Chancellor of Gilbert University and all the others members of our university for providing such a beautiful environment in the university because we can't just complain about different things. And we are the future of the department and we should be careful about its development. We cannot just complain that people are not doing this for us, they are not doing this. We should focus upon ourselves, what we can do at our end. For example, I am giving you a very small example. Suppose I am moving in the university Delhi and it's my responsibility not to throw a small piece of paper or anything else in the environment because it makes it dirty. And if I will be concerned about it, then I don't have to need someone to clean it. We can do it ourselves. Similarly, it's just a very small example. Similarly, there are various other areas where we all can be concerned about and we cannot just depend upon others to do something better for us. And yes, I agree that there are some points where there are certain areas where there are loopholes, but I think with the consistent effort of all the members of our university that can be eradicated and we can emerge as the best university in the state. Some students were complaining about that they don't have a bigger size classroom to get accommodated, and the problems are very minimized actually. What the BCSR has done, I think, is incredible, and we all need to clap for him at least. Because today I saw sir and he was saying that he was there personally to deal with the problem of waterlogging outside our hostel, and I was literally about to mention it. It's not like I'm mentioning it because Mrs. said it, but I was actually about to mention it. So I think overall our university is the best, and we will do something. We will do definitely something to make our university the best. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for giving our university such a beautiful opportunity to come in contact with all the students and to talk personally about our problems. So thank you so much.
PG Department of Atmospheric Science. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Chancellor sir, and respected all my professors. Today is a opportunity for us to reveal our problems. When I joined the FM University, I have a great dream that as such peoples of coastal areas, so we faces more peculiar weather phenomena. So that's why I choose the Department of Atmospheric Science. So we just research on most of the very vulnerable meteorological phenomena. So I think there is a very well equipped department that we have, but nowadays our department has a less number of equipments and a less number of research opportunities in our department. So I request to Vice Chancellor sir to focus on such problems of our department that they mounted a more number of equipments and research opportunities in our department, and we actually, as this atmospheric and meteorology is a application based subject, so we require more seminars and more workshops and more skill placement opportunities and more industrial connections in our department. I request you sir for to consider these issues and further concerns. Thank you sir. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, respected Vice Chancellor sir, respected teachers and my friends. I am Satyajit Behra, a second year PG student from the Department of Anthropology. First of all, I am grateful for getting this opportunity to speak today. Last year, before joining Okinawa University, I knew little now about the Department of Anthropology, but I knew about the university and its arts and music. I wanted to learn about human culture, urban issues, and explore those areas in academics. So I joined the department with expectations. I wanted a good learning environment, supportive teachers, and a place where I could improve myself. I also hoped that I could learn new things and gain knowledge that would help me in future career to pursue civil service. I feel that my university is growing every year. The university is giving students many opportunities through seminars, workshops, cultural programs, sports, and other activities. These programs help us learn many things beyond our textbooks and help us to grow overall. I always try to take part in university academic activities, share my ideas, help my classmates whenever possible, and represent my university in a positive way. Finally, I would like to share a small suggestion. Our anthropology laboratory is important for practical learning like understanding paleontology, herpetology, osteology, and health. I would like to request further development of laboratory to its full potential. Also, we want to expand our museum as well and display valuable artifacts and artifacts so the students will get a better learning experience. Once again, as usually, thank our respected Vice Chancellors and all teachers and all the university for allowing us to learn, grow, and build our future. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all, esteemed Vice Chancellor, respected Chairman, Postgraduate Council, distinguished faculty members present on the dais and off the dais, and my dear fellows. We are grateful for this opportunity to express our views on the behalf of our class. We sincerely appreciate the efforts of the university in providing quality education and a supportive learning environment. Our feedbacks reflects the collective opinions and aspirations of our classmates. So first of all, our expectation while joining the Fakir Mohun University was high quality education with updated curriculum, experienced and supportive faculty members, well equipped laboratories and libraries to develop both theoretical knowledge as well as practical experiences, which leads to better innovative ideas and skill development, and we all achieve this in a very short period of time. So thank you to VC sir for this. Areas needing improvement like advanced knowledge about laboratory equipments and machineries, which can give us better in-hand experience, which can lead us to quality field work in our future. Increased industrial visits for practical experiences and field knowledge, by which we can understand how the theories taught by our faculties in the classroom used in real life in various industries and research institutes. More internship as well as placement programs by which this prestigious university will play a vital role in both educational career as well as professional growth of a student life. Our current perception about Fakir Mohun University that it is a growing and progressive university. It is a place that promotes academic excellence and research. We are proud to be the students of this prestigious university, and we believe it has great potential to become one of the leading university not only in our state Odisha, not only in our country in India, but also in the whole world. Our expectation from the university, like strong campus placements and internship programs, collaboration with different industries and research organizations, more national and international seminars and workshops. Our contribution as student is maintaining discipline and uphold the university values, attend class regularly and strive to academic excellence, participating actively in seminars, lab works and extracurricular activities, promote teamwork and possible campus culture. We sincerely thank the university for providing us with quality education and opportunity for personal and professional growth. We believe that through the combined efforts of the administration, faculty members and students, this university will continue to achieve greater heights of excellence. Thank you all for giving us this opportunity. We are proud to be the students of Fakir Mohun University. Lastly, together let us build a stronger, smarter and more vibrant Fakir Mohun University. Thank you all once again. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed Vice Chancellor, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, Chairman PG Council, Sri Santosh Agarwal sir, myself, Pinak Gupta, a second year student of PG Department of Computer Science. So while joining the university, everyone wants to grow not only as a single student but as a good person, a good personality in the society. So while most of the expectations before joining the university have been reached, I myself came from 600 kilometers far away. That is, I am from Gajapati district. So while joining the university, the simple thing that I have in my mind is here faculties are great. The classes are great classes and regular classes are organized.
All my professors and my peers. I myself graduated from physics department, representing opinion of my peers on the how our university is and what attempts to be made to succeed our university in a level ahead. So I will restrict myself to the only suggestions what should be taken by our administration. We prepared 3 suggestions. One is, as I said, one of my friend, the library time should be extended for 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, so that our students who come from a distance will get benefited from it. Second one is, as we know, scientific studies is complete when the things are synchronized. That is academia, scientific research in pure physics, and industrial development, and collaboration with industry. Though our collaboration with research pure institutions like Niger and Niger is fine, we need more collaboration and synchronization with the industrial institutions like industry and technical education institutions. And this I will conclude that it is our solution to the development. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Chancellor sir, teachers sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Satyaswar Padhi from Integrated Guidance Student from Education Department. Initially, when I entered into the university, I was expecting expectations, and to large extent, the university has fulfilled my expectations.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Devika Parekh, President of Discipline of Sociology. First of all, when I joined Pokemon University, my aim was to better quality of education and friendly, clean and campus. When I realized that under the Pokemon University, I get the better education facilities from our teachers.
Respected honorable Vice Chancellor, distinguished my dear friends. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manoj Markunda, and as an MBA student, I feel truly honored to represent the Department of Business Management and in the stakeholder meeting. As a management student, we believe that learning should go beyond the classroom. As a management student, we are facing lots of problems like placement opportunities and internship problems. We have to request the university to continue strengthening industry collaboration through live projects, industrial visits, and guest lecture by corporate leaders. And entrepreneurship, development programs, and this initiative will help students bridge the gap between academic learnings and industry expectations. And one more thing is bus timings. As a old campus student, there is two buses. One is ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ ଚାଲୁଛି 9:30 and right ହଉଛି 9:45 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ ଯାଉଛି 10:38 କି ଚାଲୁଛି ଆଉ right ହଉଛି 10:45. So 10:30 ର classes start ହେଉଛି. There are various students facing lots of problems. I request one more bus should be. Thank you very much. Wishing everyone a productive and successful stay. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, esteemed Professor, distinguished guests, faculty members, and my dear friends. I am Samumitra Mahanti, student of the Department of Commerce for Pokemon University. I feel immensely honored to represent the postgraduate Department of Commerce, Pokemon University, in this prestigious revisit mission stakeholders meet. We are proud to say that our university provides an excellent blend of academic excellence, practical exposure, personality development, cultural enrichment, and social responsibility. Our suggestions for the future are: there are 3 suggestions. First, establish a financial laboratory. A financial lab, a modern financial laboratory, can become the pride of our university. It may include stock market simulation, virtual trading platform, financial modeling software, Excel and Power BI training, AI commerce, artificial intelligence, and fintech applications. This would help students to gain practical exposure before entering the corporate world. The second is structured internship program. We request the university to establish formal internship collaboration with prestigious banks, NBFCs, industries, chartered accountant firms, corporate companies, financial institutions, because everyone doesn't want to do NET and JRF. Most of us want to do or join in the corporate sector. So our internship will add credit to our CV. And the third one is the last one, a canteen to be established in campus. Thank you, sir.
सम्माननीय कुलपति महोदय, सम्माननीय स्नातकोत्तर परिषद अध्यक्ष এবং এখানে উপস্থিত সমস্ত সম্মাননীয় প্রাধ্যাপক মহোদয়, ମୁଁ କୃତଜ୍ଞ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଶାଖା ମୋ ନାମ ହେଉଛି ଜୟପ୍ରକାଶ ପଣ୍ଡା। ଏଠାରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଉକ୍ତି ଶୁଣିବା ପରେ ଏବଂ ମୋରି ମାନେ ମୋ ବିଭାଗରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ବିଶ୍ୱବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ପଢୁଥିବା ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥୀଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣିଲା ପରେ ମୋତେ ଏବେ ବହୁତ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ଡ ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି କି ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ପଢିଛି। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ ମୋର କୌଣସି ବି ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନାହିଁ, ବହୁତ ରେୟାର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି that also going to be concluded and ସେଇଟା ହେଇଯିବ ବି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଆମର ସେଇଟା ଆଶା ଅଛି। ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପରିବେଶ ପାଇଛି, ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକରେ କୌଣସି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୁହଁ, କେବଳ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀକୁ ନେଇ ଗୋଟେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟାକି ସାର୍ ବି କନକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ କରିଦେଲେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କଥା ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ ଆଭେଲେବିଲିଟି ପାଉଛୁ। ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟର ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ 80-90% ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲ ଭଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନରେ ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏନଫ୍ ୱାର୍କସପ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ କ୍ଲାसेସ୍ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଟିକେ କମି ଅଛି, ଅବଭିୟସଲି ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ବହୁତ ତାର ଥାଏ।
Esteemed Vice Chancellor, sir, and respected teachers, and my dear friends, I am privileged to represent the student of the PG Department of Chemistry. Our overall perception of the university is very positive. University provides a supportive academic atmosphere where students feel encouraged to learn and grow. At the same time, as responsible students, we would like to share few expectations which we believe will further improve the quality of the education. We request the university to develop our laboratory by enlarging the space of the lab and providing some equipment and instruments. We also request university to focus on creating campus placement opportunity for postgraduate. सर ମୁଁ ପକେଇମୁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଆଗେ ଯୋଗଦାନ କରୁଛି ତ ମୋର ଆଶା ଥିଲା କି ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା କଲେଜ ଆଉ ଅଟୋନମସ୍ କଲେଜରୁ କିଛି ଅଧିକା ଜ୍ଞାନ ଏଇ ପାଇପାରିବି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିକୁ ଆସିକି, ଯୋଉଟାକି ମୋର ବହୁତ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ପୂରଣ ହେଇଛି। ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆସି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଶିକ୍ଷା, ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପରିବେଶ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ବାତାବରଣ ଏଠି ମୁଁ ପାଇଛି। ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟ ସବୁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ତ ଭିସି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା ହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଥାଏ। ଆମ ଭିସି ସାର୍ ଆମ ସହିତ ମିଶିକି ସମସ୍ତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଆମକୁ ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ହସେଇଛନ୍ତି, ଆମ ସହିତ ଖେଳିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ସେ ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଛୁଆ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି, ମାତ୍ର ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଂ କୋର୍ସ ଅଛି। ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ମାନେ ଭଲ ପଢା ପିଲା ହେଇକି ବି ତାଙ୍କର फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତି, ତ ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ରେଗୁଲାର କରିବ ତ ଆମେ ଉପକୃତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ। ନହେଲେ ଆମର ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି, ଆମର ଟିଚିଂ ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ବହୁତ କୋଅପରେଟିଭ, ଆମକୁ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
Very good evening, respected Vice Chancellor sir, respected dignitaries and faculty member and one and all present in here. So developments begin with the dialogue, and dialogue become more meaningful when every voice is valued. So I am Kirti Rao from the Department of Education, and I sincerely appreciated this initiative of inviting students to share their perspectives.
उपस्थित समस्त गुरुजनों मोर सम्मान मु सोनाली नायक स्नातकोत्तर भाषा और साहित्य विभाग द्वितीय वर्षर छात्री। प्रथमे मु कहबाक चाहिबी जे मु अनुकूल ऑटोनोमस कॉलेज रे ग्रेजुएशन करथिली। सेतबे एठी आसिली फर्स्ट आमे को होतले कोनना आमे ओडिया विभागर छात्री, किंतु एठी आसिला पर मु कहबी जे मु भाषा और साहित्य विभागर छात्री, जोंथि कि मु गर्वित। सेकंड थिंग इज जेतेबे हम इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी कोर्स विषय में पढुछु उर्दू इंग्लिश संस्कृत जो आम जेहेतु विभाग अछि तेणु हमर कंपैरेटिव स्टडी टा बहुत इंप्रूव हेछि, सेति पय हमर विद्वान को बहुत धन्यवाद देबी। देन हमर सजेशंस होछि कि फकीरमोहन साहित्य घरर सर इनोवेशन टा हो केवल सर मोर सजेशन हुए जेतेबे सीवाईएसटी ऑफिस रे हमर मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट वर्कशॉप हेतिला, सेठी मोर सानो भाई भोणी किछ मते कथाडा भी कहथिले जे दीदी आपण एटा निश्चित भाबरे साथ कहिबे जे हमर फकीरमोहन साहित्य घरर इनोवेशन टा हो। देन सर यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रंट रे ओके वेटिंग एरिया हो, तो सर आपको जे कि हमर जेहेतु डिसिप्लिन थोड़ा को मल्टीपल डिसिप्लिन अछि हमर डिपार्टमेंट रे, तेनो हमर मोर प्रोजेक्टर्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स दरकार। आ सर जेहेतु हमर कंप्यूटर कोर्स अछि तेनो हमें चाहू कि कंप्यूटर सब टिके अधिक फोकस करले भलो हबो। आ सर जे हमर सर आपण कहिसते कि हमर प्रोजेक्ट जेहेतु हमें मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट ऊपर करिवु एवं मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट को नेकी हमें वर्कशॉप पे मु स्पेसिफिकली मु वर्कशॉप अटेंड करछि तो सर आमे जे प्रोजेक्ट करिवो फोर्थ सेमेस्टर रे कि ताके चाहू कि गोटे कंटीन्यूअस प्रोसेस रे हो जोथि जोथि कि हमर जूनियर्स माने भी सेतरे बहुत से लाभ पाइबे एवं सर हम जति हमें फ्यूचर रे ताकि किछि गवेषणात्मक काम करि परिबा त सेटा बहुत भलो हेबो काहे कि ना हमर भाषा आंदोलन रो जो अधिकर्ता माने छथि से माने भी जे हमकु देउछथि पोथी बहुत बड़े तो ता ऊपर काम करे बहुत भलो हेबो काहे कि ना से जे हमें 10 दिन सेठी जेते वर्कशॉप रे रहिलु सेठी मु जानि परले जे कि पोथी रो गुरुत्वटा हमर ओडिया पई केते आवश्यक ओडिया अस्मिता रे कथा कहउछु किंतु सेते पोथी रो गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहउछि सेटा को सेठी बुझी पाइले तेनु सब चाहू कि एके प्रति के विशेष दृष्टि देले भलो हेबो धन्यवाद
शुभ संध्या सबीको मंचासीर समस्त अतिथि को मोर भूमिष्ठ प्रणाम एवं उपस्थित थिबा सबु भाई भूमि मान को मोर बहुत बहुत स्वागत आज रे कार्यक्रम को तेबे फकीरमोहन यूनिवर्सिटी 1999 मसिया रे एस्टैब्लिश हेला परे एमति बहुत किछि करिछि सार हमर श्री कुलपति सार हमर बहुत किछि डेवलपमेंट रे सहाय्य करछथि अन्य डिपार्टमेंट कथा तो कहि पारिबि जेहेतु मु गण जोगाजोग एवं सांबादिकता विभाग रो छात्री मो परसेप्शन कहिले एवं हमर सपरे एल्युमिनाई मीट हेतिला सेते बेले भी सीनियर भाई भूणी माने आसी कहिथिले आमी जेबे नुवा एडमिशन करथिलु सेते बेले कैमरा थिला ना स्टूडियो थिला एबे कंपनी बहुत किछि पाउछ बहुत किछि फैसिलिटी अछि तेणु आमे भी जदी पर्सनली सार के सहित एबे कथा को सेमति किछि प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली देखा जाउनी हमर डिपार्टमेंट आ गोटे जिनिस कहबा को चाहिबी हमर डिपार्टमेंट को मते लागे सार टिके अधिक भल पांदी बोधे एटा हम मते कहला को भी बहुत गर्व लागछि बहुत भल पांदी बोधे
हम द्वारा जहां संभव हो मे भी लैबोरेटरी डेवलपमेंट संभव करी मे भी फैसिलिटेशन ऑफ प्लेसमेंट हम करियो चेष्टा करू सॉफ्ट स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे हम चेष्टा करू हमें करियो किंतु डिसाइड नवर किछ नै हमें जानि छे हम मात्र 27-28 वर्ष रे हो हमें का संगे प्रतियोगिता करछे 80 वर्ष रे यूनिवर्सिटी संगे प्रतियोगिता करछे 80 वर्ष रे समय जहा करे ना कि हम 38 वर्ष तार अधिक करछे हम गर्व करे ओ बेकार जिक्स सब जो गवर्नमेंट रो आसुची पे कहउतली से कथा जे आगुर जेमति आस्तला ट्रेडिशनली बड़ यूनिवर्सिटी छोट यूनिवर्सिटी जाय वर्तमान फकीरमोहन यूनिवर्सिटी नाटा एकरा इसमें हमें खुशी होगा हमें मका बुक पहले हमें जो फकीरमोहन यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ी मो कैरियर बर्बाद कैंपस नहीं कि मो खाली खुशी हो तुम्हें खाली खुशी हो जे आसुची से भी अप्रिशिएट करछु जे जाओ कैंपस बड़ा कैंपस हम तो एटा तो काम कर नहीं ताकू नहीं तो गर्व करियर मो मोर अनुरोध रहे it should be proud for our university and that pride should lead us towards creating a system which is qualitative. Thank you very much.